Let's talk about multiplying mixed numbers because a lot of you are not doing it correctly right now. This is what you're doing. Let's say I had 1.5 times, let's say 2.5. Why not? A lot of you are going 1 times 2 is 2. 1/2 times 1/2 is 2 1/4. And you're thinking you're done. I want to prove to you that is not right. By changing it into something else, something we're better at. 1.5, is 1.5 as a decimal. 2.5 is 2.5 as a decimal. Let's multiply those and see if we get the same answer. 5 times 5 is 25. 5, 7. Put a 0. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 1 plus 1 is 3. Now I add them up. And then I have 2 after the decimal. So there we go. 3.75 is my answer. When I did it with fractions, I got 2.25. Because 1/4 is 0.25. Those are not the same thing. And just to prove, there it is on my calculator. 1.5 times 2.5 is 3.75, which is that answer, not that one. This is wrong. That is not how you multiply mixed numbers. When we multiply mixed numbers, did you notice when I did it with a decimal that I did these multiplied by each other? And then I did these multiplied by each other. So technically there was like 4 multiplication problems I had to do. Up here, we only did 2, right? The 1 times 2 and the 1/2 times 1/2. So we've left out a lot of multiplication on that top version. Here's how you really do it. 1.5 times 2.5. First step, change them into improper fractions. 3.5, or 3/2, is the same as 1.5. Shoot, 2 and 1/2, how would I do that? Well, I'm going to put it over halves, and I know 2 times 2 is 4, so that would be what 2 is. And then I have to add 1 more, so it's 5/2. There we go. Now I can multiply straight across, which is what you were trying. 3 times 5 is 15. 2 times 2 is 4. Now I can convert it into a mixed number. So I'm going to pull out the 4s, right? So 4, 8, 12. 3 fit into that. And then 13, 14, 15, I have left over 3/4. 3 3/4 is the same as 3.75, which is what I got on this answer. That's how you multiply mixed numbers. Is first change them into not mixed numbers. Change them to improper first. And then you can multiply straight across. One more for good measure. Let's do 3 1/8 times 2 1/6. Why not? First thing, change it to improper. 3 times 8 is 24 plus 1 more. 25/8. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 1 is 13. I'm going to use my calculator. 25 times 13 is 325. 8 times 6, 48. Now I need to figure out how many 48s go into 325. So I'm just going to skip count. I'm going to just add them up on my calculator. So 48 plus 48. Or I can just do the easy way, 325 divided by 48, either way. And I get 6 times Okay, whoops. So 6 wholes, and that would be 6 wholes are the same as 288 of my 325, which leaves me 37 left. There's my answer. All right. So multiplying mixed numbers, this is your first step, changing it into improper. If you need more examples, go ahead and watch the other video. That is it. Adios.